Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, my dear students. Today we will start to solve May-June 23, Paper 2, Variant 1, step by step, with explanations. Please follow and subscribe for the playlist to show you the whole exam answers. The first question with us here is question number 1. An easy question. Polygon, quadrilateral. We all know that the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So we can find the measure angle ADC. Measure angle ADC. Measure angle ADC equal 360 minus 104 plus 56 plus 71. Using calculator, 360 minus 104 plus 56 plus 71 equals 129. Since in the two angles دول supplementary, we can find the measure angle ADE. Angle ADE equals 180 minus 129. 180 minus 129 equals 51. Thank you.